Hello again everyone! In this video, we are going to create a simple hand gesture using OR, the ConjureKit hand tracking module. We are going to create our logic on top of the sample code attached to the OR package, since it already visualizes the 21 landmarks. We start by downloading the OR and its sample. When building the scene, you will be able to see all 21 landmarks moving with your hand. Now let's start adding our code. We first declare a vector3 array that will hold the XYZ values of each landmark position. Then, in start function, we declare the array's count value. In the hand tracker onUpdate method, let's replace the existing hand position variable with the hand landmark positions array we just created. We should also adapt the existing visual landmarks to get the same data. We can now retrieve each landmark by its number using the hand landmarks map. To recognize a position gesture, we can assume that if the distance between the tip of the index finger, landmark number 8, and the palm landmark, landmark number 0, is greater than 10 centimeters, the hand is pointing. So let's create a method that calculates the distance between these two landmarks. And now, if the distance is larger than 10 centimeters, then we can log a message. Notice that this logic will also recognize an open palm gesture. To change it, you can calculate other fingers' distances and create your own logic. But for this tutorial, we're going to keep it simple. Now let's build the scene. As you can see, every time we do a pointing gesture, we can see a log message. Great! Now that we got it working, let's make it more interesting. Let's add an electricity effect on top of our index finger when it's raised. So create or download a particle effect, go back to our code and declare it as a game object. Inside the hand tracker update method, set the electric effect to be placed on top of the index finger. Now let's edit the log method and activate the effect when pointing gesture is recognized and deactivate it when it's not. And finally, set the effect to be a child of the AR camera. Now let's drag the effect game object to its value in the editor and build the scene. You can download the full project using the link in the description. Have fun!